I don't want this anymore. Okay. So where is it? Now I gotta call the guy and beg for his forgiveness. Yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Feel free to shop with us in store or on our website, where you can pick from all of our items, which we promptly shipped as long as you put the stuff in the right spot. Anyway, thank you once again. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, follow us on our socials, and until the next one, adios.